Welcome back to Guy with Samuel. If your Gmail inbox is getting overwhelmed with unwanted messages, this tutorial is for you. In under 2 minutes, I'll show you how to exactly filter and send specific emails straight to the trash. No more clutter. So guys, to begin, open Gmail on your desktop and look towards the top. You'll see a search bar. On the far right of that bar, click the icon that looks like sliders. That's your search filter tool. Now, a detailed filter menu will appear. In the From field, type in the email address of the sender you want to automatically delete. This is perfect for stopping those persistent newsletters or promo blasts. Next, if you would also like to remove emails with attachment from this sender, go ahead and check the Has Attachment box. Once your criteria are set, click Create Filter at the bottom of the menu. Now, you'll see a list of actions Gmail can perform on matching emails. Select Delete It. This ensures that any future emails from this address will skip your inbox and go straight to the trash. Finally, click the Create Filter button again to confirm. And that's it, guys. Gmail will now handle those emails automatically, so you don't have to. Remember, you can repeat this process for multiple senders or even based on subject lines and keywords, giving you complete control over your inbox, guys. And guys, if you found this helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.